Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export code from Framer using the React Export plugin. So this is helpful if you want to take components from your Framer design and use them inside an existing React project. So before starting, keep in mind that Framer is a hosted platform, so it does not let you download a complete website as a regular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. So however, you can export selected components as React files. And first, open your Framer project and choose the section that you want to export. Right click on that section, then select Create Component. So this turns the selected design into a reusable component that can be detected by the Export plugin. Next, click the Framer icon in the top left corner, hover over plugins, then select Browse All and search for React Export plugin, install it, and run it from the plugins menu. So once the plugin opens, you will see the components that are ready to export. Choose the components that you need, then click Export. The plugin will generate a command for you to copy and run in your terminal. And after running the command, the selected components will be downloaded as React files. And then you can then add them to React project and make any changes that you need. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.